Stuck deciding between Sketchup Vs and SolidWorks power for your home design dreams? Let's break it down in 90 seconds. First, consider complexity. SolidWorks excels in detailed, professional-grade modeling. Think intricate cabinets, custom-designed hardware, and precise material specifications. SketchUp, on the other hand, is all about user-friendly simplicity. Perfect for quickly visualizing layouts, experimenting with furniture arrangements, and creating conceptual designs. SolidWorks demands a steeper learning curve. Mastering its parametric design, feature trees, and advanced tools takes time and dedicated learning. SketchUp wins on ease of use. Its intuitive tools and user-friendly interface make it accessible to beginners and hobbyists. For professional projects requiring manufacturing-greedy designs and precise documentation, SolidWorks is the clear winner, producing detailed blueprints and accurate material lists. But if you're focused on visualizing space, experimenting with ideas, and creating aesthetically pleasing designs, SketchUp is your go-to tool. Price is another factor. SketchUp offers free versions and affordable subscription plans, while SolidWorks requires a more substantial investment. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your project's scope, your design experience, and your budget. SketchUp for quick visualization, SolidWorks for professional detail. Happy designing!